replacing the battery on my wife's car. Pop the covering of the battery port. They now make these new battery fancy with handles. Can you believe it? So it makes it easier to be more portable. So get it inside of the battery housing. Actually make sure you turn it the right way, because you don't want to mix up the port, because you don't want to put negative on positive and negative. You want to make sure that you put the positive on the plus sign and the negative on the minus sign. This is actually part of the housing unit that comes with the battery. I'm not a mechanic, by the way, so let's put that out there. But if you want to save money in your pocket, like my wife is very frugal, I better learn to do stuff and learn to do it real fast. But I have a brother-in-law who is very good at this, so I learned a few things from him over the years, and a very good friend of mine. So here we connect in the battery, make sure it's snug in its place, and I put on the battery terminal, the positive side. So I put on the negative port, and then I have a little wrench there, size 10 for the nut, and make sure you tighten it, not too tight. And you certainly don't want to allow the wrench to touch onto the positive side and then touch another part of the car. As a ground scut, that can cause a spark and even fire and damage your ECU, which is a computer. So you have to be careful of that. Yes, so we put the cover over the battery terminal.
It's naturally going to do that.
One of my son was inside of the car. I told him to start the engine. When he cranked it up, it shut right back on. And I believe it's a fail-safe system on the car. Then once he cranked it again, it was running and everything was fine. So at least they should know how to do these things. Yep, there's nothing like driving a Lexus. Reliable.